Welcome. In this video, I'll share the essential tools every beginner electrician in 2025 should have. Let's get right to it. First, a smart multimeter with Bluetooth connectivity is a game changer. It lets you send readings, voltage, current, resistance, directly to your phone for real-time analysis. Next up, safety is key. A digital voltage detector with built-in alarms and LED alerts helps you identify live circuits safely. Don't forget quality hand tools. Multifunctional insulated pliers and wire strippers combine functions in one ergonomic design, boosting efficiency and reducing fatigue. Also, a portable thermal imaging camera that clips onto your smartphone uses AI to spot hotspots in electrical panels, helping diagnose issues early. Finally, modern safety gear is evolving. Look for smart helmets with AR displays, advanced safety gloves, and insulated boots that deliver real-time alerts. I've included a link in the description for budget-friendly tool options, so check that out. And please share your thoughts in the comments. What tool do you think is essential? Thanks for watching and stay safe.